Guys, welcome to another Android Studio tutorial. So in this video, I will be showing you how to direct users to rate your application on the Play Store. This only works if you already have your application uploaded to the Play Store. So you can have a little button or a text or something somewhere that directs the users, rate this app on Play Store. So let's dive in. What I'll do is to start a new Android Studio project. I'll choose an empty activity, just something very basic. I will call this rate app. Okay, so I'll just leave this as that. So I'll go to finish. Okay. So while this is syncing, I'll just switch over to the project structure. Yeah, synced successfully. It looks good. So here, I'll switch to app, to source domain, Java. So this is my main activity file. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to have a button here within this layout that will direct the users to the Play Store to rate the application. So I'll just set this to a relative layout. I'll get rid of this as well. This will be a relative layout. I'll get rid of this text. Here, instead I will use a button widget. Text. Just call this rate app. Size, I'll just give it 20 sp. It looks too big. This is a very basic design I'm doing, guys, so I'm actually looking at the statics part of it. For the color, I'm gonna give it color of white. Else for the background, I'm gonna give it a dark shade of blue. That's 6C. Looks good. Padding 10 dp. Okay, 10 dp. Center in parents, to set it to true. So one thing, I need to give it an ID. I'll just call this rate. Okay, so this looks good. Alright guys, so we'll just switch over to the main activity. Here I'll just call my button element, not bundle now, button. Let's call this btn rate. So I have btn rate, find view by id rate right there. And what I'll do next time, I'll set on click listener for this button. So we'll have btn rate that's set on click listener, new view and click listener. So for best practices, what I'm going to do is use an alert dialog. I think it works fine for this kind of feature. So in case the user doesn't actually want to rate the app, or he doesn't want to leave the application to go to the Play Store to rate the app, so this you could have proceed or cancel. Works really good for the user. Okay, so I'll use an alert dialog builder. I'll just call this alert builder. Calls new alert dialog builder. I can pass this here. But what I'll do, I will just use the package name main activity. This works good for me. Okay, so what I'll do now is set the set title. I'll just call this rate app. Yeah, I can set. You can set icon if you want to. If you have to, I'm just show you that quickly. Right click on rest folder. Go to new, go to vector assets. Okay, so here we have it. Just click on this clip art. and it's taking a little bit of time. Okay, so here we go. Let's look for star. I'll just choose this one. You can choose which one suits your application. Here, I'll just leave it at this color. Finish. So then I'll call that drawable file now, which is this, and then you can see here. All right. Okay, so I need to set message as well. Set message saying proceeds to the Play Store to rate the app. To rate the app, or whatever message you want to pass there looks good for you. Then you can set positive and negative button. So set just a negative button first. For negative button, say no or cancel. I'll just put cancel here. Passes no. Then here I'll set positive button here. I'll just use proceed. So here we'll have new dialog. Click listen. All right. So this looks good. Just put some column here. This looks good, guys. So what I'm going to pass here, I'm going to pass a URI. Here, give it URI equals URI the pass right here. So I'll pass in this URL details. ID equals I'll just get package name. Okay, comes up for me. So it's better. One thing you could do, you could pass in this package name, com books or read app or whatever your package name is, but that really won't be dynamic. So this inbuilt feature of getting package name really works best, you know, for you for this one. All right. So what I'll do next, I will pass in my intent. Come on now. Intent. Passing intent. The action view. Just passing my URI variable right there. Okay. All right. That looks good. Next to proceed, I'm going to pass in intent. Not this one now. Intent add flags here. So here we'll have intent. That's flag no history. I'm going to use that. I'm going to pass. Come on now. Intent flag new document. Okay, and I'm going to pass one more. Then that flag multiple tags, right? Okay. So what I'm going to do next is to use a try catch block, you know, to start the activity. So here is start activity, passing intent. Yeah. So it will be catch. The exception will be activity not found exception. Activity not found exception. Can I see it anywhere? Here. Activity not found exception, passing the variable. Here. Okay, so I'll just start activity. Here will be new intent. So here I have intent. The action view. Comma. So this will be very long, so I'll just put it to the next line so you can see it properly. So I'll pass URI. I'll pass this here HTTP. play, that's google.com. I get it correctly. .com /store apps /details id equals, then here I'll pass get package name. Okay, so guys, it looks good for us. Now we need to start this dialogue. If we run it like this, the dialogue won't actually show. We need to make it show. So not dialogue, dialogue close this alert builder dot create. So here dialogue dot show. Okay, so this looks good, guys. Okay, so we'll just run this application and see how it goes. Okay, so taking a bit of time there. Android emulators. You can use other emulators anyway. There are a few that you can integrate with Android Studio. So that's it, guys. It's working up, working. Like a launching activity, I think I should open this. Okay. Let's see. I think should be this right app. Okay, so we have it here. So just click on this. So proceed to the Play Store to read the app. If you click on cancel, it destroys it. If we click on proceed, it now takes us to Play Store to read the application. So here, so let's verify that. Let's see the Play Store icon. I'm sure. Here. Okay, take a bit of time. Okay, so here, guys, this is it. So if you've not signed into Play Store, you have to sign in, and all that to access the interface there. So, but the fact that it takes us to Play Store actually makes a lot of sense. So if your app is actually uploaded to Play Store, it will take you to your app, and you will see the ratings, you could see comments, so you could add ratings yourself, you could add comments yourself. But if your app is not rated, if it's not uploaded to Play Store yet, it will show you app not found, something, package name not found, something like a nice error interface there. So guys, so that's it for this tutorial. If you like this video, you can subscribe, you can leave a like, leave a comment. If you feel there's something maybe missing out on this tutorial, or something you'd like me to do, you can just put a comment in the comment section. I will attend to it. So thank you, guys. See you in the next video.